Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Volkswagen Touareg. This is the 3-litre V6 TDI 4Motion Black Edition, finished in a beautiful silicon grey metallic paint. It's the black edition, so you've got the black grille on the front, and you've also got the 21-inch glossy black Suzuka alloy wheels, and they look absolutely fantastic on this car. You've also got your rear tinted windows, and you've got the addition of the side steps as well, just to make life that bit easier for you. Round to the back, you've got the fully electric tailgate system. So if you hold the key fob, it will open automatically for you, so it's perfect when you've got your hands full. And inside you can see there's absolutely buckets of space in there, so you definitely won't struggle for room. And you've got the electric power folding tow bar as well, so if you hold the button down, the tow bar will swivel out for you. So it's perfect for towing a family caravan on those lovely summer holidays. And then to close, you simply hold the button in and it will fold back in for you. With it being the electric tailgate, you've got the push button close on the top as well. You've also got the keyless entry system, so you don't actually need to press the button on the key. As long as you've got the key with you, it will open. So inside you've got the stunning Vienna leather. You've also got heated rear seats, so it's perfect for the kids. You can control them on the climate control on there. You've also got your sunblinds, so you can lift them up, pop them in place, and it's perfect for keeping the kids happy on the longer journeys. And there's your R-Line badging as well. So I'll get in the car and I'll start it up and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got the stunning touchscreen display. You've got your satellite navigation system, which is really clear and easy to use. You can also display it on your digital cockpit. You've got your front heated seat controls on here, and you can control the heated seats in the back as well from the front, so it's really handy. You've got all your different options for your view. You have got your 3-zone climate control. This car is automatic as well, and you've got your driving profile selection, so you can choose between the different modes depending on how you want the car to feel while you're driving it. I'll just give you a close-up of the dash. You can see you've got the lovely glossy black dash insert and door insert. A fantastic feature is the electric panoramic sunroof. So to open the sunroof, you've got the toggle on the front, so if you just pull that back, it will open fully for you. It just floods light into the car and it looks absolutely fantastic. You've also got your electric sunblind. So you've got your forward and backward buttons, so if you press the forward one, it'll close fully for you. If it's a little bit too sunny, it'll take the edge off. Here's a close-up of your seats. You've got your lovely R-Line embroidery, and they look absolutely fantastic. Onto your steering wheel. You have got your touch-sensitive controls now, and it is heated. You've got your adaptive cruise control, so it's perfect for motorway driving. Your steering wheel, you can turn it up and down, and you can turn it off as well for your heating. You've also got automatic headlights, and you've got heated door mirrors as well, so it's perfect in the winter to reduce all the condensation. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.